Imagine this. It's a Saturday morning. The sun streams through your kitchen window. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air. You're not at a bustling cafe. You are at home, ready to enjoy a cup of French press coffee. The French press offers a unique coffee experience. It is simple, yet elegant. With this method, you control the brewing process from start to finish. The French press brews coffee by steeping coarsely ground beans in hot water. A mesh filter then presses the grounds to the bottom of the carafe. This method extracts the coffee's full flavor and aroma. The result is a rich, full-bodied cup of coffee. This brewing method allows the coffee oils and sediment to pass into your cup, creating a rich texture and flavor that you cannot get with other brewing methods. The French press method is perfect for those who appreciate a ritualistic approach to coffee. It's also great for those who want to experiment with different coffee beans. The French press is easy to use and very affordable. So, whether you are a seasoned coffee connoisseur or a curious beginner, the French press offers a satisfying and flavorful way to enjoy your daily cup. Let's dive into the world of French press coffee and discover the art of crafting the perfect brew. Before we embark on our French press journey, let's gather our tools and ingredients. Don't worry, we won't need a fancy espresso machine or a complicated setup. The beauty of the French press lies in its simplicity. First and foremost, you'll need a French press. These come in various sizes to suit your needs. Choose one that fits your desired number of cups. Next, you'll need freshly roasted coffee beans. The quality of your beans significantly impacts the flavor of your coffee. Look for beans with a roast date printed on the bag, ideally within 2 weeks of purchase. Now, let's talk about grind size. For the French press, we need a coarse grind. Imagine coarse sand. This grind size ensures proper extraction without excessive sediment in your cup. You can grind the beans yourself using a burr grinder for the best results. If not, most coffee shops offer pre-ground coffee for French press. Water is equally important. Use filtered water whenever possible to avoid any chlorine or impurities affecting the taste. Finally, you'll need a kettle to heat the water and a timer to track the brewing time. A kitchen scale for measuring coffee. And water is optional, but highly recommended for consistent brewing. Now that we have our equipment and ingredients ready, let's move on to the brewing process itself. The French press brewing method is a simple yet rewarding process. Let's break it down step by step. Begin by heating your water to just off the boil, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit or 93 degrees Celsius. While the water is heating, grind your coffee beans to a coarse consistency. A good ratio to start with is 1:15, which translates to 30 grams of coffee for every 450 milliliters of water. Feel free to adjust this ratio to your preference. Once the water is ready, preheat your French press by pouring some hot water into it and swirling it around. This helps maintain the temperature during brewing. Discard the preheating water and add the ground coffee to the French press. Slowly, pour the hot water over the grounds, ensuring all the coffee is saturated. Give it a gentle stir to break up any clumps. Place the plunger unit on top of the carafe without pressing down yet. Allow the coffee to steep for 4 minutes. Place the plunger unit on top of the carafe without pressing down yet. Allow the coffee to steep for 4 minutes. This steeping time is crucial for optimal flavor extraction.